Look, listen and repeat. पहा, ऐका आणि म्हणा. B for bike. B for bat. B for bus. B for box. C for cat. C for cup. C for car. C for cow. A for ant. A for axe. A for ankle. A for apple. P for parrot. P for puppy. P for pigeon. P for pen. T for top. T for teddy. T for tiger. T for table.